How to change lock screen password on your mobile phone. So open the setting app and scroll down and you show option like privacy. So click on it and scroll down and you show option like device unlock and click on the like screen lock and enter your screen lock and you show option like turn off password and number like click on it and create the password and type your new number and re-enter and your password is successfully updated. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.